This is 2009 Toyota Kluger. So this one had problem is that the belt tensioner is a bit noisy. So I'm going to replace today the drive belt and the belt tensioner. You can hear the noise, the tensioner. So I'm going to spray something. The noise gone. Then after they started making noise again. So we need to pull off the AC compressor bolt out, to take it out. Then have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 bolt, you have to take it out. And this is the drive belt. You can see the part number. So we have to first off this power, and we have to take it off the alternator, and the compressor need to be a little bit getting back. The drive belt off, this pipe off. So I'm clear the first underneath AC compressor side, the connectors. Here come two 12mm bolts in here to there. Drain the coolant. So then I have to take it off the shroud to take it out the alternator. We have to off this bolts. We take it out the AC compressor. Now you can see the adjuster, bolt 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. here the new one and old one. You can see the in here gap. Guys, we install the new tensioner. Okay, then after we install the alternator, guys, we install the dry belt and the new pulley. This side we install the compressor. All good. Okay guys, then after that we going to install the final shroud. Okay, install the shroud. Okay guys, we finally installed the everything. Now we're going to start the car. Okay guys, you can hear the noise. Okay guys, finally we done the job. So you can see no any noise now. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my video. We see you in the next one. Thanks.